Okay, quick follow-up on free pick this week. SQNM had a very busy afternoon, so it's 10:46, and I'm just now getting to the wrap-up video for the website. So I thought we'd go ahead and make this wrap-up for the free pick we sent out too. Remember, we called SQNM above this area here. Let me zoom into a 13-day chart to make it easier to see. Up about 416. It opened at let's see, 405. And as high as it could get was 408. Now, to be fair, I did try a trade in this. I'll show you on 5-minute candles here. The early high was 405, sold off, and as it came back, took it at 406, thinking that had a decent chance. Okay, let me zoom in again. Decent chance at 406 with the new high of day, lighten up this people's streamers. Maybe that could get it to the 416, and then we have a nice entry where we can add at 416. Okay, once it didn't work. 406, it came back down and just went sideways for a while. I time stopped it and sold it at like 401, I think. So lost about a nickel on it. Uneventful, really. And perhaps still worth watching. I'm going to make it take out some of these recent highs. I'm still going to make it get to 416, I think, before I'll consider it. CNP from last week is starting to look better. We had a small trade in that one today for a small profit. But overall, this very low volume week. Expecting maybe a little more Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday because a lot of economic reports. Markets closed Friday, but anytime the week before July 4th holiday, you're going to have low volume, and it's going to be very tough to find any kind of momentum. We did have LVLT. We called today over $1.40, I think, and I added $1.42. And I did pop to the $1.50 for a nice little percentage gain. And did close at the high of the day, and the chart looks like it could go higher here. We also gave Bank of America. I'll show you the entry on that one. BAC. Okay, the early high of the day was 1286. Popped back up to 1283 and then went sideways, so we called it above this base, thinking that should get it through the high of the day. Trigger was 1284, and worst case stop below this base, 1275. So that's a 9-cent risk. And from 1284, it never did hit the stop. And ended up closing at the high of the day all the way at 1319. So a decent little trade there. But overall, uneventful day and nothing huge to brag about or anything. So, without me bragging, that'll make this video short at least. So we will send out a free pick next week if we don't talk to you between then. And now, have a great 4th of July extended weekend. Remember, the market's closed on Friday. And we'll send out something next week to our free pick members. Talk to you later.